So you're trying to figure out how to make money with GetResponse? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a strategy you can start using right now if you want to start earning commissions with the GetResponse affiliate program. All right. So you definitely want to stick with me all the way through this video so you don't miss anything. Now, my name is Rakeem Madison. And with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into today's content. All right, so the first thing we're going to take a look at are the results. And then after that, I'm going to share with you the details of the program. And then I'm going to share with you the strategy you can use to actually make money. All right, so you can see it says pending earnings, $34.65. And then you can also see $54.45 was the last payout. And then you can see all-time earnings is $143.55. Now, if you see here, it says current period commissions, $9.90. Now we're going to jump over into the details of the program. And then I can't wait to share the strategy with you. All right, so who is the GetResponse affiliate program for? So you can see right here, it says affiliates who want to create a new source of revenue. So probably if you're watching this video, you probably want to create another source of income. Now, another thing is freelancers, bloggers, review sites, content creators, affiliates with small business traffic, and marketing consultants, small agencies, and online marketing experts. Now, why is this information even important? It lets you know exactly who you need to target. So let's scroll down a little bit just so you can get a little bit more details on the different types of programs. So if you see right here, it says affiliate bounty program, right? So what this is you're going to get a one-time commission. Now on the flip side with the affiliate recurring program, that's where you're actually going to be able to earn residual income. Now me personally, I love residual income. I'll take the, one-time commissions. That's cool, but it really depends on what type of person you truly are. All right. So boom, with this one, you're literally going to make, right? Get this. If somebody pays for a $15 GetResponse plan, you're going to make $100 from that $15 sale. Now that sounds pretty crazy, but like I said, I like the long-term residual income. That way you got something building up, and then over long term, you're going to have something coming in, right? So that's pretty powerful for me, but to each his own. All right, so those are the two programs. Now we're going to actually jump into the strategy. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to YouTube. I want you to do this right now with me. That way this can be actionable and you can actually move towards getting results. All right, so go ahead and open up an incognito browser. Then I want you to open up YouTube. Okay, once you open up YouTube, I want you to write in the search box right here, what is the main thing that GetResponse actually does? All right, now the main thing, as we already laid out, it's email marketing software. So the first thing that comes to mind is somebody's probably going to want the best email marketing software, right? So if I start typing that in, the first thing I want to know, is it actually getting demand? Like, are people searching this every single month? So best email marketing. Okay, so you can see as I'm already starting to type this, we can see best email marketing services, 2,400 searches a month. Best email marketing platform, 1,600 a month, and so on, right? We got many things that we can create content on to actually attract that right type of audience, right? So let's keep going to the one that I was actually going to, which was software. So I can literally go out and create a video called best email marketing software. And then of course I can put something on the end to make the human want to click, right? So put something for the robot, which is the keyword, and something for the human. That is a killer strategy. I'm telling you, because I've done it time and time again. All right. So that's the first keyword you can actually use. The next one, if you're actually in affiliate marketing, best email marketing software for affiliate marketing. If you're in the e-commerce space, best email marketing software for Shopify. If you're teaching people how to do email marketing as far as like on their stores and different things, that way, like for example, if somebody checks out, they get to the checkout and they don't actually finish buying, you can have an automated email process being sent out to those people so they can actually take action, right? Now, you can also use the direct I can't even speak right now. The direct approach when it comes to this, you can actually just type the name in of GetResponse or the software that you're trying to leverage this strategy for. And as you can see, GetResponse tutorial, landing page, GetResponse versus ClickFunnels. Like these are things that people actually want to see, but we can dive even deeper than that, right? Let's say we want to do underscore, and then we put the letter A. So now what it's going to do is it's going to show me everything that starts with an A after GetResponse. So it's giving us more and more options that we can go out and create content on to continue to attract that audience. And we can go even further than that, right? You can actually put a letter after the A, right? So you see when I did B, nothing shows up. Let's see what happens when I do C. So now we see GetResponse versus active campaign. People want to see that as well. So now you're putting yourself in front of a even more larger audience, but you know that they're going to be targeted because they're looking for that specific thing. And you could do the exact same thing when it comes to the other one that we had, right? So best email marketing, right? And let's do the same underscore and let's do an A. So boom, it's going to show us everything that we need to know. So there's people literally looking for the best email marketing affiliate program. Like I could have literally did a video sharing this program, like this video that I'm doing right now, and share people, hey, you can actually make $100 off of a $15 sale, right? And then I could have put together some content for that. The most important part of this strategy that I'm sharing with you is the keyword research, so that when people come find your content, they know that it's specifically for them. This part is very, very crucial, all right? So these are just, just to kind of give you a couple of ideas, but literally you can start taking action right now, put out some content, and it doesn't just have to be a video. I love doing video. That's just like, that's natural for me, but you could be somebody who, maybe you go over to Pinterest and type in these keywords and then create something for your audience that will be valuable, and then you can get them to take action that way. Or if you're somebody who enjoys really writing, right? You enjoy doing like blog posts and different things like that. You can leverage this same exact strategy. Of course, the keywords may be slightly different because they're on Google, but you can leverage this same strategy to get out here and start making money with GetResponse. So that is the strategy. You want to name your video as whatever the keyword is, and then make sure you put something in your title also to make those people click, and then get them to watch your video and really deliver on what they came there for, which in this case is going to be the best email marketing software. And then you lay that all out for them and then give them a call to action at some point in the video, because we know everybody is not going to make it to the end of the video. So you can give it in the middle of the video or within the first minute and 30 seconds, right? It just depends on what you're really trying to do, but that is the strategy that's going to help you start making money with GetResponse. So hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below letting me know any additional questions that you have, and check out the free training, first link in the description. That training is going to go over how you can outrank your competitors, literally rank your stuff #1 from the keywords that I actually just gave you here in this video. All right, so go ahead and check that out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.